Hello, how are you doing? My name is Terkon and I'm known as Jamaica Income Guy. And today in this video, I'm going to show you step by step a legit way how to make $500 a day. So if you're interested, watch this video to the end and you will see definitely how you can go about making $500 a day or even more. Okay? And the website that we're going to use, it's called Clickbank. So all you need to do is go to www.clickbank.com if you don't have a Clickbank account, and click on sign up. To sign up to create your Clickbank account. So you're going to click on sign up to create your Clickbank account. As you can see, it is 100% free to join. So you're going to fill out all these information. Okay, as soon as you get your Clickbank account, what you're going to do next is log into your Clickbank account, and you're going to go to the marketplace. I'm going to show you how to find this product that allow you to earn $500 a day or even more online in Jamaica, or it doesn't matter where you are in this world. You can do this. Okay, so to find this product now, all you need to do, right here where it said find product, you're going to type in the simple Wi-Fi profit, or you can just type in the simple Wi-Fi. When you type in the simple Wi-Fi, which is SIMPLEWIFI, you can just type in that. When you type in that and hit search right here at the search icon, it's going to show you the product that allow anyone to make $500 a day or $500 every day in Jamaica, or it doesn't matter where you are in this world. Okay, this product allow you to make over $500. As you can see, this product allow you to earn $528.57. And I'm going to show you step by step how you go about earning this money by promoting this simple Wi-Fi profit product. Okay, so all you need to do right here, you're going to right click and open it in a new tab to see what this product is all about before thinking about promoting this product. Because anywhere you're going to go and promote this product, you want to know a little about this product before you can go ahead promoting this product. So what you need to do now, right here I'm on the product page. As you can see right here, it have a call to action that's saying discover how to turn your spare time into side income online business. So I can just use this as my call to action. So I'm gonna use this as example to show you what you can do to start making money selling this product. So you can just copy this right now, and the next thing we need to do, we are going to use Twitter. So all you need to do is just go to www.twitter.com if you don't have a Twitter account, and create your Twitter account. Okay, you don't have no follower for this work for you. So this can work for you with zero following. So all you need to do is just create your account. Then when you create your account, if you don't have your account, when you create your account or when you log on your Twitter account, all you need to do is just go to home. When you go to home now, it will allow you to post a tweet. Right here, so where it said what's happening, you're going to post that call to action right there. Then the next thing we are going to find, we are going to find an image of upload for post with the call to action here. And remember, this product is all about showing people how to make money online, starting an online business and so on. See? So we are going to find a picture similar to the niche there. Make money online, online business or so on. You see it? I'm going to show you how to find free image. Or if you get free image where you can use, you can post on Twitter and make money without your post get copyright strike or something like so. You see me? So what you need to do, just go right here, so pixel.com. So you just go to pixel.com, which is pexels.com. Yeah, .com. So you go to this website. When you go to that website, you're gonna land on a page looking like this. See? Alright. You see, if you want to find image in the niche where you promote the product in, all you need to do is just type in the name right here. So for instance, I want to find a picture in the make money online niche. So what I just do, I put in money. When I put in money now and it enter, it will show me a bunch of pictures what I can use to promote this product in my Twitter account and earn money. You understand? So as you can see, when I hit search, it show me a bunch of pictures what I can download. And then pictures I can download them for free of cost and use them. Free of cost and use them. All of them picture here. But just I use a simple one. If you want to use video, you can just go right here, so you see video where you can download as well and use. But I just go with the picture for now. So if you see a picture where you want or a video where you want to use and you want to download it, all you need to do is click right here and download. When you click on download and the picture finish download, all you need to do is to go back to your Twitter account to add the picture to your call to action, so you can post the picture with the call to action with the image with the affiliate link also. But I just upload the picture to show you exactly how it will look and show you exactly how to do it. So I try to find the picture. Right. This is the picture. Add the picture now in the Twitter. Alright, the picture add now. What I need to do, I get my affiliate link and put it right here. I need to put my affiliate link right there. So now go back to Clickbank, click on promote to get my affiliate link. When I click on promote, it will give me two options where it said account nickname and check-in ID. You see right here, so where it said account nickname, you need to put in your account username that you use to sign in with Clickbank right here. So and you see a check-in ID, you can just put Twitter to check to know say the sale come from Twitter whenever you make a sale. And your check-in ID have to just to make Clickbank know say are you promote this product, are you supposed to earn the money from this product. So when you put in those two, you're going to click on generate at link. When you click on that, it's going to give you this link, a big ugly link. So what you need to do, copy this link now, close on the browser, go to bit.ly. You're going to use bit.ly, bit.ly sorry, .com. So you're going to use bit.ly bitly.com to shorten that link. So if you don't have a Bitly account, you can just go to bitly.com and create a free Bitly account. And when you're on your Bitly account, I'm going to show you this is how you shorten the link and put it in a Twitter post and post it. So I'm just waiting for the page to load. So as you can see, alright, the page is loading now. Alright, right here where it said create link. No, right here where it said create, you're going to click on create to create your short link. So you're going to paste that long link right there. Sorry, where it said long URL, you're going to paste the long link right there and click on create at the bottom. When you click on create, you're going to create that link. So you're going to go back to Clickbank at the marketplace and copy the name for the product, so you can know what this link is about and what this link is for, or which product this link is for. Yes, so you can know which product this link for. So you're going to click on save. When you click on save now, you're going to see it pop up right here. So all you need to do, you just copy this short link right here and go back to Twitter. You want to paste that short link right here in front of business and that call and that symbol right there. Okay, so what you need to do right now is add you need to add some hashtag. Yes, you need to add some hashtag to this post so people can able to see your post more faster and more easier. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to add hashtag like online business. So I'm going to add it like this, online business. I'm going to add hashtag like side income, and I'm going to add it just like how I see it. I'm going to add the hashtag them just like how I see it. I'm not going to move it. I'm just going to put on the number sign on it. Okay, I have to change this one. So I'm just going to leave it like that. So all thing I need to do now is just hit post. No, hit tweet. Click on tweet. You can add more hashtag like make money online, work from home, and so on. But for now, I'm just going to hit tweet because I don't want this video to be too long. So I'm just going to hit tweet. As you can see, my post is on Twitter. So whenever someone searching for this hashtag like online business or side income and them run across my post and click on the link and check out the product, me I go make money. Me I go show you as an example. When you click on online business hashtag, me I go show you the traffic where you can get from online business hashtag, the amount of people who post online business. So much people are post online business, online business, online business, online business. I try to look for my post, but I don't really see it. But you know, for sure, you imagine if you post a post on it the right up at the top up here. So online business, online business. Alright, I'm gonna try the other hashtag keyword. I'll try the next one. Now try the next one. Side income. Side income. So whenever someone search for any one of these hashtag keyword, run across your post. Alright, so my post here right here, it ranked for side income 9 minutes ago. So whenever someone read this call to action and click on the link, it will take them to the product. It will take them to the ClickBank product. And if them love the product and buy the product, me I go earn this money, which is $552.57. Okay, so that's how you go about making money online in Jamaica or anywhere you are in this world. And if you want to know if someone click on the link, you just go to bit.ly, refresh the page and check the link, check the product link if it move from 0, and you will see if someone click on the link. I just click on it, so it's supposed to show 1 clicks. I know it's supposed to show 1 clicks because I just click on it. I'm just waiting for the page to load. Alright, this is the product. I don't see any clicks so far. Yeah, 2 clicks. So me and someone else click on it. As you can see, I'm from Jamaica, 1 clicks, and someone from Germany click it. And this click is from YouTube, no, from Twitter. As you can see, 1 click from Twitter, email, MSN direct, 1 click, and I think this one is my click, the Jamaican one, and this one is from Twitter. Yes, so this does work. So this is how you can make real money online in Jamaica. Okay, it doesn't matter where you are in this world. So if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, remember to subscribe and click the bell icon to get notified. Yes, to get notified of any video I upload as soon as I upload it. Okay, yes, have a nice day.